Domi's diary. Hi, long time no see. Finally, the super hot summer is going away. Now it's nice and cool. And guess what? Fall is the season of fashion. Today, I'm gonna show you my secret super duper outfits. Wait, I need to take out all my clothes. Ugh, where is it? Oh no, the humans didn't tidy up, so it's hard to find. I think I got enough out now. Are you ready to see the cutest kitty fashion ever? Time to walk the runway. So, how was my fashion show? Cool, right? Being a style leader, kitty, is not easy. You guys better get your fall clothes ready too. Don't fall behind the fashion. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.